Welcome. It's your girl Alicia. Hey. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn to beautify your features. You can be neater. Come let me show ya. Welcome to the
Hi
channel.
loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I am back with another hair video, and in today's video, this is the wig that will be in. I actually made this closure myself, and this is what inside the wig looks like. It's a 4x4 closure. I'll make sure to leave everything linked down below. The bundles are from Allrun, and it's pretty much my typical install. After I tinted the lace, I went in with my Got To Be Insta Hold, and before I even do that, I made sure to cut off the excess thick.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So after I cut the excess lace away, I make sure to part out the sections that I wanted to use as my baby hair, and I went in again over top of that with the Got To Be Insta Hold before I tied it down with the elastic band to melt it in.
Way back a year ago, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Okay, so right here you off how the lace is skin. We're just using 2 layers of the TB. I actually love this can because it doesn't leave any white cast prior to the Got To Be in the yellow bottle, which is the reason why I got this can. I'm actually thinking about making a review on this Got To Be. If you guys want to see that, then do me a favor and comment that down below in the comment section.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Now I'm pretty much going to go in with my wax stick and hot comb to lay the hair to how I want it. So this is pretty much the install in a nutshell. So if you guys did find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and pick up yourself.
I'll push all my chips and call